you clean more, I suppose. That
Yeah.
if you can just
Yeah.
let me know how the SolarCleano in fact changed a bit your model, if it improves your business or not.
Starting to use the big F1 robot really made it possible for us to clean different new projects, bigger projects, new customers, etc. Yeah, that's really true. My grandfather started a cleaning company in the 60s, and after my father did it,
Mm-hmm.
I continued it,
Okay.
cleaning, high pressure cleaning, cleaning tanks, those sort of things. And years ago we started working for a big energy company, Eneco, in the Netherlands, cleaning engine rooms and those sort of things. And from them the question came how to clean solar panels, and we started investing in new equipment to clean the solar panels for Eneco. And it became more and more difficult to clean the bigger installations because the distances were too big. So that's when we got into contact with SolarCleano, visited you, had a great demonstration, and decided to buy the F1 robot, which really made an improvement for us to clean the big projects, because remote control, everything is possible with it. And after 1 year we decided to buy a second robot, making it possible for us to clean even faster, bigger projects, etc. We bought the Mini just because it is part of the family actually. And that's as far as we are right now.